Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cube. We already discussed about cuboid in the last class. So first let us revise that. After that, we can discuss about cube. So for a cuboid, all the faces are in what shape? Faces?
Rectangle.
Rectangle shape.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Rectangle
Good morning,
shape.
ma'am.
And now, how many rectangles or how many faces are there for a cuboid? Count. One,
One,
three, four, five, six. Six rectangles or six faces are there for a cuboid. Okay. Now, all the sides of these rectangles are the
12.
edges. All these sides of, yes. I'll ask you that time, you can answer. Otherwise, it will be a great disturbance. Okay? So, all the sides of these rectangles are edges. How many edges are there for a cuboid? Total, how many edges are there? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backside? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. All these are corners or vertices. How many vertices are there? How many? 8 vertices you can for a cuboid. Yes. Yes, vertices. 8 vertices are there. 8 vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The same way now, all of you please listen. The same way, see, what is this? Can anybody name this? Last year you have learned?
Box.
Cube. This also what? Yeah, you can call it as cube. Here, all the faces are in what shape? Okay, all the faces are in square shape. Here, for a cube, all the faces are in square shape. Can you name any object?
All the shapes are
Any object
square
characteristics?
shapes.
Anybody? Those who know, please unmute and raise. So raise your hand. I will unmute you. Otherwise, yes, Sankalp. Something is there in your hand.
Dice.
Dice is an example of cube. Anything else? Sarah is showing. Yes, unmute.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's cube. Many having Rubik's cube in their hand. Yes. So Rubik's cube is an example of cube. Anything else? Yes, Hamdad. Please unmute and tell any other example.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's cube already said here. Other than that, something. Then, what about? Yes, Johan also.
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Then, other than that, ice cubes. Hamdan, you can sit over there. Those who know any other example, they can raise their hand. I will give you a chance. Yes, Ishan. Any other examples?
Eraser.
Eraser, is it a cube? Is it a cube, dear? What about the faces? For a eraser, what is the shape of the faces?
Triangle.
Sorry? Is it?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. But for a cube, all the faces are in square shape like this. See, all the faces are in square shape. That only cube. Okay, Shan. So
Okay,
this eraser is an example of cuboid. Clear?
okay.
Eraser
Yes,
is an example of cuboid. Now I am asking about examples for cube. There all the faces are in square shape. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give you another example. What about ice cubes? Ice cubes. What shape it is? What shape?
Cube.
Cube shape. And sugar cube, sugar cubes, ice cube. All these are examples of cube. Then, dice, Rubik's cube. All these are examples of cube. So for a cube, all the faces are in what shape? Square. Yes. Now we can count. Let us count the number of faces for a cube. How many faces are there? What can you count?
There are 5 faces in a cube.
Sorry,
5.
only 5.
No, 6.
Let us count. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total, how many faces are there? Faces. Faces are there. Only the difference is that for a cuboid, all the faces are in rectangle shape. All the 6 faces are in rectangle shape. But for a cube, all the 6 faces are in square shape. For a cube, all the 6 faces are in square shape. Okay. Like that, all the sides of the squares are edges. Okay, all the sides of this square are, these squares are edges. All the sides. So all of you count how many edges are there. These lines, how many are there? 1, 2, only 8.
12.
The edges will be there. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excuse me,
Backside
ma'am.
same. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? 12 edges. Okay. So once again, 12 edges are there for a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backside 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 edges are there for a cube. Is that clear to everyone? How many edges for a cube?
12.
12 edges. 12 edges for a
12 edges.
Okay. Now we can count the vertices now. These are the vertices.
Vertices.
These are the yes, Rukma, I can see the boxes.
Name for the cube.
Yes. All of you count how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? All of you count.
8 vertices.
8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4,
3,
5, 6,
5,
7, 8.
7.
Ma'am.
So 8 vertices are there for a cube. 8 vertices are there for a cube. So for a cube, how many faces?
6
6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the faces are in what shape? The shape of faces? Square shape. And how many edges? How many edges? 12 edges. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges for a cube. How many vertices?
8 vertices.
8 Yes. So for a cube and for a cuboid, same number of edges, vertices, faces will be there. Only the difference is that for a cuboid, all the faces are in rectangle shape. For a cube, all the faces are in what shape? Square shape. Okay. Let us write that. Before that, no need. Please don't open your book now. Please don't open your book now. Now I will show you the images. Please listen now. What is the shape? Wait. One by one, I will ask. That is better. Alna, please unmute. Unmute, dear. What is this shape? Is it square? Is it rectangle? Square, rectangle. See, if I draw like this, you can say it's a rectangle. But is it like that? Then what is the shape? This shape? Yes. Cuboid. What it is? Cuboid. What do you call? Cuboid. Okay. Cuboid. Okay. So this shape is cuboid. Here, all these rectangles are faces. All these rectangles are the faces. So let us see how many faces are there. Hamdan, please unmute and say how many faces are there for a cuboid? Sorry?
8.
Can you count and say?
6.
Yes. You can see 6 rectangles. If you have a cuboid, see how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces?
6.
6 faces. Okay. So faces 6. Then Rukma, please unmute. Rukma. Unmute, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
How many edges are there? All these sides of these rectangles are the edges. So how many edges are there for a cuboid? If you have cuboid, sorry?
8.
Only 8. Only 8?
12.
See? All the sides of these rectangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges?
12.
12 edges. So edges 12. Okay. Now all these corners are the vertices. These are the vertices. Now, Sai, please unmute and tell me how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? Sai, please unmute. Unmute and tell. Unmute, Sai. Unmute.
Yes.
How many vertices are there? These are the vertices of yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Good. Now, Ishan, please unmute. Ishan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the shape of faces of a cuboid? The faces of a cube. No, I am asking what is the shape of faces of a cuboid? Cuboid
Square.
has, sorry, these faces are in what shape?
Square.
Sure,
Yes.
it's a square. All these sides are square shape. Do you have a cube with you, dear? Sorry, cuboid with you? What is the shape of the
No.
faces? See, what is the shape of the face? All the faces.
Rectangle.
Ah, rectangle. All the faces will be in rectangle shape.
Rectangle.
Okay, for a cuboid, all the faces will be in rectangle shape. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you open your book. After that, we can discuss about cuboid. Now, take your you already draw this table. Huh? Give a heading. Three-dimensional shape figures. Three-dimensional figures.
Ma'am, textbook or notebook?
My dear, in the notebook, you already drawn this 3D figure. Three-dimensional figure or 3D figure. Put today's date. Three-dimensional figure or
Ma'am,
3D figures.
Ma'am.
Figures. Ah, yes.
Today's date, right?
Yes, today's date. Three-dimensional figures or 3D figures.
I'm right.
Ah, yes. Start writing. I'll
What
reduce
we
the.
should write, ma'am?
We should first read the heading. I hope you already draw the table on your math notebook. Last day I sent a message, so I hope you already drawn this. About that, about that.
Yes. Ma'am, right.
Ah, you can
Ma'am.
give a heading, three-dimensional shapes.
Ma'am,
Or
heading right.
sorry.
My book.
Ah,
Heading
yes.
right.
Write the heading.
Yes, ma'am. I am already shapes.
Ah, three-dimensional shapes, figures is good because we already written 2D figures. So it will be 3D figures. After that, the first column under shapes, you can
Ma'am,
write, sorry, write cuboid. Start writing, please start writing. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid.
Ma'am, you're finished.
Sorry? Sorry? After that, you have to draw a cuboid inside that box. So, write cuboid. Fardin, completed. Written.
No, no completed.
Write then.
Completed.
Keep the scale down. Aside. Fardin. Ah. Now start writing.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Cuboid.
Right. Finished.
Okay, wait.
Right.
Okay. Now we must draw a cuboid over here in the same box. So for that, what you want to do is draw a rectangle. A rectangle, any size. Draw a rectangle. First, draw a rectangle. All of you draw a rectangle in the same box. Fardeen, draw fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody, draw a rectangle. You want to draw a cuboid.
Yes.
For that, first we draw a rectangle. After that, again, one more rectangle like this. Like this, one more rectangle. Draw one more rectangle like this. So two rectangles you have to draw.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished. And
Finish, ma'am.
okay. Now what you want to do is you have to join the corners. Join the corners. Join the corners of two rectangles. Please draw using scale and pencil. Join the corners of.
Finish.
Okay. Now your cuboid is ready. After that, in the next column, you can see the heading, faces. Alvin, please unmute. Alvin Mario, please unmute.
Yes.
How
Yes.
many faces are there for a cuboid? How many rectangles? If you have a cuboid, take it and count. How many cuboids?
1, 2,
For a cuboid,
3,
how,
4,
mm,
5.
how many rectangles you can see in the given picture? Count.
6.
Six faces.
6.
All the faces are in what shape, Elvin?
6.
All the faces are in what shape? What is shape of each face?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good. Sia, please unmute. Sia, please unmute. How many edges are there for a cuboid? How many sides? Huh? Sorry, you can count and tell. All these sides are sides of these rectangles are edges of the cuboid. So count how many sides are there for each rectangle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
All the lines are the edges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Forgot.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Back side. Mm, 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 mm. Only 10.
11,
Uh,
12.
so how many edges?
12.
12 edges. Very good. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Backside also 4 edges are there. So 4 plus 4, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. Clear? Now, Abhinav, please tell me how many vertices are there? Unmute and tell. How many
Yes,
vertices?
ma'am.
How many vertices are there? Means how many corners are there? 8. Good. 8 vertices. Those who have completed cuboid, we can give the heading cube. Next is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Have you all completed cuboid? Is there anybody left to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is there to complete? Somebody is saying yes.
Oh, ma'am, I finished.
Okay. So next we can write cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Just draw cube.
Yes.
Everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us start drawing. For that, first you have to draw a square. All of you draw a square. Draw a square. Draw a square.
Ma'am, I am right.
Okay, good. Completed? Fardeen.
Six figures. Faces.
Sorry, 6 figures.
6 faces.
Okay, okay, okay. For a cube, 6 figures.
Ma'am, different.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we did not completed the
Okay,
cube
okay.
drawing.
Oh, yes, you can. Which one? Cube or cuboid?
Cube we did not finish drawing.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll give you time. So first draw a square. After that, almost from the center of this cube, one more square.
7 edges.
7 edges. Who counted 7 edges? Hmm?
For the green.
Now we should connect.
Sorry? Yes.
Now we should connect.
Yes, yes.
Maybe this is my cube.
Two squares you have to draw. After that, you can connect the corners of the
edges.
uh,
6 edges.
corners of this.
Ma'am, cube
Yes.
finish.
Good. Connect the corners.
2 edges.
How many edges?
4. 4.
Only 4 edges. For one square, 4 edges will be there. Like that. How
No,
many
4.
squares are there? So,
6 edges.
sorry? Somebody saying correct answer?
12 edges.
Oh, yes, all right, correct.
Ma'am, it
Ah.
should be right.
No, no, no. We will discuss that. Now you draw the cube.
I finished drawing the cube.
Okay. Dear children, please stop writing. Please stop writing. I want to show you one thing. Okay, I'll give you time. Please wait. Now, please listen. Keep your pencil down and listen. Ah. All of you, please keep your pencil down and listen. Johan, please unmute and tell me for a cube, how many faces are there?
6
6 faces. All the faces are in what shape?
square.
Square. Yes. 6 square faces are there for a cube. Very good. Now, Aman Babu, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How many edges are there? That means all the sides of this squares are edges. Sorry, how many edges?
Equal.
No, I am asking how many number.
How many edges?
6, 12, 8.
Edges. How many edges are there for a cube? How many edges are there for a cube? 12. Yes, 12 edges are there for a cube. Very good. Now, Sangal, please unmute. How many vertices are there for a cube? Vertices?
8.
8 vertices. Good. Very good. Okay. My dear children, cube we will continue in the next class. We have one more period, right? I muted you all. We have one more period, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will right about cube in the next class. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Today.
Bye, ma'am.